Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook breakfast sausage. First, select a heavy-bottomed skillet, such as cast iron or stainless steel, for even heat distribution. Ensure the pan is large enough to accommodate the sausage without overcrowding, allowing for proper browning. A non-stick pan can also be used, but may not achieve the same level of browning. This initial step is crucial for a perfectly cooked breakfast. Next, cook your breakfast sausage over medium heat. This prevents burning and ensures thorough cooking. For sausage links, turn them frequently to brown all sides evenly. If you are cooking patties, aim for 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on their thickness. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius for food safety. To achieve that perfect golden brown crust, avoid overcrowding your pan. If necessary, cook the sausage in batches. While many sausages release their own fat, you can add a small amount of oil or butter if needed. The goal is to allow each piece to develop a rich, caramelized exterior, which significantly enhances both flavor and texture. This step is key for a delicious result. Once your breakfast sausage is beautifully cooked, remove it from the pan. Place the sausage on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess grease, ensuring a less oily finish. Allow it to rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This helps redistribute the juices, keeping the sausage moist and flavorful. Serve immediately with your favorite breakfast accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.